let me show how to use it for modeling tools and or pipeline. I will make some selection here, hit B for bevel, shortcut. This pop-up will appear with all options. I can just activate my tool just hitting my right mouse button or left mouse button my viewport. If I use my right mouse button, just click and can use just handlers here. This does not affect my mesh. Or I can just hit my left mouse button. At this time I can move up and down to change my shift, and left and right to change my inset. You can see here tool is still active. You can change all options here. I can use, for an example, group polygons and change the count of segments. You can see here. To reactivate your tool, just hit shift, hit and hold shift and click again in your viewport with your left mouse button in this case to reactivate your tool. To deselect your tool, just hit Q in your keyboard or ESC. To reactivate your tool, shortcut again, click in your viewport. To use your pipeline, let me activate my linear fall off and a cylinder fall off. You can see here I had my tool active here. I can disable or enable my tool here, and this is evaluate and this is visibility. I will activate my move tool for an example. Just move a little bit. I can disable or enable my tools. I will activate my transform tool, T, my shortcut, to show how to disable the visibility. With your transform tool you can just click and drag. We see this tool before, and disable this guy here. Your handler will not be displayed. This will work in every tool. Another option, let me select some polygons here, ask to disable the tool, polygon select, B to bevel, let me use my group polygons, and click in your viewport. We can change some options here. Preference and basic are the same thing. If you activate, you had these handlers here, will be displayed, and you can use invisible, or the same thing there, disable here, this dot, and advanced. With the advanced mode we can use these handlers here to get more accuracy. If you disable your tool, in this case I hit ESC, deselect my bevel tool, select again, my options is still here, still active. This is only will be disabled when I restart my program, my model. Let me show some options here with our pipeline. Let me make some selection. B to bevel tool. I can change some options here. For an example, if I click in my viewport, I will activate my tool when we see before, but we can change it here to this option, auto active. When I deselect my tool, ESC, when I select again B, automatically my tool are applied. I don't need click in my viewport to reactivate my tool. ESC, B, automatically applied. Another option we can use or auto drop. When I say before, to reactivate your tool you need to hit shift and click again to reactivate your tool, shift click to reactivate your tool, shift click. You can use this option here, just select auto drop. when you click in your handler, automatically will be applied a new bevel. And another option we had here are select throat. You had the selection here, but you can select another part. You can just select here and bevel will be automatically applied. You see here are some options. And of course you had some options here like reset tool. You can reset your bevel, you can remove your bevel, and another important thing, these options can be used with any modeling tools, for example polygon extrude, you can see here. So thanks for watching.